Hello and welcome back. And in this video we are going to be talking about newly introduced modifier called TextSelection that was introduced in SwiftUI 3 and iOS 15. So far, if you want to make your text text selectable and let user copy, there is no possible way right now for your text views to do that. But with this new modifier, you can actually add that support. So I can just say text selection and say text selection is enabled and leave my demo running. If I just press and hold, I can copy or share these text selection messages. Now if I tap and hold on the other text, because that modifier is not added on that on the creates videos, it's not gonna basically display. So I'm still, wait a minute, let me create a little bit more padding so they're further apart. So I'm gonna tap and hold on to create videos or creates videos. Actually, create videos should be create videos, and as you can see, nothing is being launched. But if I tap and hold on Delta key, I can either copy or I can share. So I don't know if I can actually open the messages app on the simulator side. I can't, but essentially I can copy. So if I go ahead and run this, all right, and tap and hold and copy, go to home, and maybe in the reminders I'll actually just try to paste. There you go. So tap key has been copied into the clipboard. So that's actually a new way to support the text, new way to support copyable text inside your text views, and starting SwiftUI 3 and iOS 15, by adding this text selection modifier, you can actually enable. And because this is controlled with enable, disable, and parameterized, you can actually even go further and make it dynamic with the state properties and control it that way as well. All right. So this is it for this video. Thanks again for watching.